What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about why you should get into UX design. I'm going to go over the right reasons and the benefits of being part of this UX field. Coming up, let's go. Hey, it's Enoch Madrid here, back with another topic on UX design. So before we get into the reasons why you should get into this career field, I want to share with you some background context of what the current state of UX is. As of right now, UX jobs are on the rise, and the world of digital product design is getting so much more attention. There's a lot of current and aspiring designers looking to make a big break into UX career, but why? Why is it so hot right now? And why has it been hot and popular in the last couple of years? So to answer that, as of right now, if you happen to scroll through any design job board, you will notice that there's a big demand for user experience designers, and it's very clear. For the past 8 years, people have been using their touchscreen mobile devices to pretty much do everything from ordering food, ordering a cab, shopping online, checking for appointments, traveling, reserving hotels, social media consumption, and entertainment. Pretty much our lives have become dependent on these technology apps and websites. Even kids are growing up thinking that maybe a TV is broken because it doesn't swipe up whenever they touch it. And this is a true story because my niece, she was swiping the TV at 5 years old because that's what she learned to do when she was playing video games on her mom's mobile phone. All of these apps and web services have interfaces that people interact with, and these interfaces had to be crafted and designed by user experience designers. So let's think about that for a second. The demand for UX design is just going to keep growing for the years to come because of technology. And this also includes the future of augmented and virtual reality. Nowadays, businesses across the globe have recognized that having apps and websites with intuitive and functional user experience is not only crucial to their customers' happiness and satisfaction, but it's also the key to the company's brand and their ability to make big profits. The rewards of good UX design can be huge for any business, which means that UX designers have the potential to attract very healthy salaries. But please don't make money your primary reason why you get into this career path. UX positions, yes, they pay a little better than most design jobs, but that's for a good reason. It's a lot of hard work. And are you up for that? I have another video topic on that, whether UX is a good fit for you or not. So if you want to check it out, I'll link it somewhere in this video. Okay, moving on. Here are the main reasons why you should get into a UX career right now. Number 1, job growth. The field of user experience has been growing astronomically over the past decade along with technology. So if you decide you want to pursue a career in UX, you have anywhere from 8,000 to 24,000 job openings worldwide that are waiting for you at any given time. And these jobs are projected to grow 22% over the next decade as technology advances. Number 2, you can build value for any business. Good UX design results into happier customers, less calls to the call center, more sales, fewer abandoned carts, and higher profits. Number 3, you can work remotely worldwide. There are many industries where user experience promises a flexible work-life balance, and it fits right in with other tech jobs that can be done working from home in a virtual setting. Number 4, UX overlaps with other disciplinary skills. This is great news for you because if you're interested in UX, because most likely you already have some kind of helpful skill in your arsenal, and UX is a field that borrows from a variety of different disciplines, whether it's writing code, graphic design, researching, and psychology. The list of overlapping skill sets are endless, and it only gets better because this works in your favor. Number 5, great paying salary. So back in 2015, entry-level salaries for UX professionals in the US was about $63,000. And now that number has grown into about $92,000 on average here in the US. And this is great news. UX salaries are just going to continue to get higher. Number 6, there are plenty of learning resources. And honestly, there are so many amazing resources at your fingertips so you can jumpstart your learning in this field. There's no better time for you to immerse yourself into user experience. And the good news is that there are so many free resources to begin with that you don't need a degree to break into this field. And the bottom line is that there's always going to be problems to solve in technology. So UX is not going anywhere anytime soon. However, it is evolving, and it is important to know how and when to capitalize on this industry's evolution. So if you want to know how to get started in UX, I have another video that takes you step by step on how to jumpstart your UX career. Well, I hope this video brings you more value and it has helped you out in some way or another. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.